Hey everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope everyone is doing well. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you a very quick, simple, and easy tutorial on how I did these boho knotless braids with no braiding hair. Literally all I used was the little human boho hair and my real hair. So let's go ahead and jump right into the video. So you definitely want to start out this style with freshly washed and blow dried hair. So this is the hair that I'm using. I got it from the beauty supply store for about $20, and it's a human hair premium fiber blend. And so far I've had this style in for about 2 weeks and it has been lasting great, so I like this hair. This is also just an overview of the product and supplies that I'm going to be using. This edge control, comb, and lots of clips. This is how I keep the hair together while I'm working on it, just on a big clip, and then when I need to take a piece off, I just, take the clip off and then get a couple pieces out at a time. I really need to invest in like the little rack that people use, that braiders use for their hair, so that way I can just prep the hair all at once. But for now, we just do the old-fashioned way and lay it on the sink. So right now I'm just taking out the hair that I'm going to be using. For the back, I used about 5 pieces of human hair for the braids, but once I got to the top, I used about 6 to 7 pieces of human hair all the way down, and it really just depends on your preference. Also, if the hair is thinner, my hair is thinner up top, so I had to use more hair. It's more thicker towards the back in the middle, so I didn't have to use as much hair. This is about how much hair that I use for each one, and like I said, that's also depending on your preference, on your part size, and all different types of things. For now, I'm just going to go ahead and apply some edge control to my hair. I like to use the tail of my comb to kind of rub in and smooth out the edge control. I'm going to take my first piece and start to braid it out the top. I'm doing it like this because I want it to come out of the top. So I take the long piece, clip it up to my hair, and then take the shorter piece and start to braid down. I also added another piece of human hair for thickness right away because my hair does get a little thin right there. And then I'm just going to add in a third piece and braid down a little bit before I take it out of the braid like that. And that's how you have the hair poking out. I personally braid it down a little bit, the short end, just to secure it, and then I take the long end and clip it up so it'll poke out of the braid. And I just do this all the way down, and add in pieces as I go. If it gets thin, I'll just add a piece, because you want it to stay about the same thickness throughout so the braid doesn't look off. So yeah, I'm just gonna keep doing it until I find the desired thickness, and I'll show you what I do at the end to secure it. Now that I've gotten close to the end, I'm going to add in another piece of hair, and I'm going to, instead of pulling the long piece out of the braid, I'm going to braid all the way down until I get past my real hair. Once my real hair is braided down, I'm going to take a small piece of the human hair and I'm going to create a knot to kind of secure the end so it doesn't unravel. Once my knot is secured, I just take all the human hair down and out of the braid, and it's so satisfying. That's like my favorite part. And then it just looks so nice and full. Like, I actually prefer this over adding braiding hair. So here I wanted to show you my parting. I call this like a draft part, when you first take the hair down and with your comb, and you just kind of see like kind of like rough draft of what your part is going to look like. I then add the edge control and comb it in to kind of make sure that the part is straight and I don't have any flyaways. And here's me cleaning everything up. And I just wanted to show y'all a couple variations of angles of me doing the same braids. So I'm going to take out this back piece of hair. Make sure that it is completely tangle free before I move on to braiding. It's just going to make your life easier if the hair is fully detangled. And then I'm going to apply some edge control and smooth that in as well. This time I did not have the hair coming out of the top, so I'm just going to start the knotless braid, and then once I braid down a little bit, I'm going to add in my first piece of human hair, and I'm going to braid down a little bit to secure it in before I take out the long piece. And then I'm going to clip that, start to braid down a little bit, add in my next piece of hair. And you can add in some edge control as you go just to smooth it out and keep everything nice and clean. And then I'm going to braid down a little bit after I just took that long piece out, and continue to braid, add in another piece, take out the long piece, braid down. And you guys kind of get the gist of it. It's very, very easy once you get a feel for the concept of adding in hair. It's very easy to do this style. And then I just keep braiding down, add in another piece of hair. So now that I'm almost at the end of my hair, I'm not going to take out any more pieces. The next pieces that I add in, I'm going to braid all the way down until I get past my real hair. Make sure you're using edge control for your real hair as well, at the ends especially, because you want that to be smooth. And then I'm just going to braid down until I pass my real hair, and then I'm going to make that knot like I did before to secure it and keep it from unraveling. This time I wrapped it around a couple times, and you can just do it until it feels secure. Now for y'all who are just like, girl, be quiet and let me just watch you do it, I'm gonna, speed through and kind of just show you without talking. And yeah, so now I'm just gonna speed through the rest of the style, and you guys can see the technique a couple more times. Okay, so I'm finally done. I'm gonna use some Shine and Jam mousse for my hair to set everything in place. And for the last finishing touch, I'm going to take some argan oil sheen to add some shine. Hey y'all, so I went to my local beauty supply store and I got all of these clips here. I got this little brown clip and I got this black clip and then also this black clip, which I thought these would be so cute for this boho braid style. And I just want to show you like a quick style that I'm gonna do with this hairstyle a lot. So I'm gonna put these two pieces to the front. Just take like these two pieces, like these two right here. Let's see, I'm going to put it back into a ponytail. And then you can literally just twist it up a little bit, put it in a little bun if you want. Clip this thing in the back, put these little cute things right here. And here's how the style looks. Super cute and girly and perfect for just running errands and stuff. So if you want to wear it like this or wear it down, it's so versatile, and I just love how this hairstyle turned out. It's so lightweight, so many different ways you can style it, and I feel like they look so cute. So thank you guys for watching. Thank y'all so much for watching this video. I really hope that you enjoyed it. Please give this video a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below letting me know of other styles you would like me to try. And lastly, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.